So this is a omega loop bending pliers. It's used to make omega curves. The function of omega loop bending pliers. Everyone knows how to use it. To block or to expand the arch. We choose different steps according to the size, which is the diameter of omega curve. To choose different steps, then you can bend it. We usually bend omega curve. If we determine where to bend it, we lift it up first. Then, for example, we want a medium-sized omega curve. Okay, we can do it like this. Okay, we need to check the position of the omega curve. Then, we need to ensure that the omega curves on both sides, final position, are relatively parallel, on the same plane. So we need to estimate. In this case, after we bend the omega curve, if we adjust the wire's frequency, it should be placed stably on the same plane. From the side, the bottom of the omega curves on both sides. So usually, sometimes, we will do blocking or something. We will make a grinding tooth, the end of the molar. We will bend it upward. This is omega front. According to different diameters, you can choose different. The position of this trapezoid.